Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use password app in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open password app. And here you can see your Wi-Fi password, passkeys, codes, your all passwords. If you want to add a new password, then simply click on this plus icon and here write your website, app or label anything. If you want to save your Snapchat password, then simply write Snapchat and then here your email, your phone number, your username, and then here enter your password of your Snapchat and then click on save, and here you can see your Snapchat password will be saved, and here you can check your all password you can save. So this is the way to use password app in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.